You know, cranberry sauce really puts smiles on people's faces, especially around the holidays. You can almost taste that bright, sweet tart flavor wrapped around slices of fresh turkey. I've got a recipe for you that's going to be so fantastic that you'll never go back to canned cranberry sauce again, and it only uses a couple of key and essential ingredients, and it's so easy to put together. All right, now check this out. I've got a bowl of fresh frozen cranberries you can pick up at your grocery store. All right, I'm going to take these guys. All right, we're gonna put them right into our sauce pot here. All right, I'm gonna turn it on and just let the cranberries start to warm up. And the cranberries themselves, they're loaded with juice, right? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring out some of that great delicious flavor and also add some more juice with an orange. All right, what we're gonna do first is we're gonna take a vegetable peeler and we're gonna pull probably 4 big, huge strips of peel off, and we're going to throw that in. Now, with the peel itself, the orange peel actually contains a lot more flavor of the orange than the inside of the juice, because a lot of the essential oils are actually found in the skin. So we're going to pull out some really deep orange aroma. It's going to make the house smell nice. And pull all the stuff off and throw it right into our pan here. We got 4 nice strips. All right, then we're going to take a knife and we're going to take this guy and we're going to squeeze the juice out. All right, so we got a little bit of help, all right, with the cranberries themselves. All right, the whole thing's going to start to fall apart. All right, we got this guy. All right, then we're going to really kind of accent a lot of those great holiday aromas by adding a cinnamon stick to that. Now, normally you find ground cinnamon, but whole cinnamon sticks are actually available at grocery stores, and it's the bark of a tree, which is really nice. It's got a deep aroma to it, and we're just going to throw that right on top of there. Right? Then we're also going to sweeten it up by adding somewhere between 3/4 of a cup and a whole cup of sugar. So we're just going to eyeball this. It's going to dump it right on top. All right, now it looks like a lot of sugar, but for the most part, the cranberries are very tart, and they can certainly use the sweetness. All right, we stir the whole thing together, just like that. Make sure everything is well coated. And as a matter of fact, as soon as the heat hits the cranberries, it's going to start to break them down already. Now these guys are going to simmer for probably like 12 to 15 minutes until the whole thing starts to break down. It's going to get really thick. It's almost going to look like a relish, but it's a really homemade, chunky style cranberry sauce. And it looks absolutely beautiful. Now I let this cool down to room temperature. And it's totally ready to serve at this point right now. But what I like to do is actually let it get nice and ice cold. All right, so I'll take a nice jar with a lid. All right, we're gonna take our beautiful cranberry sauce and we're just gonna load it up in our jar. Take a look at that, isn't that beautiful? I'm just gonna leave all those big chunks of orange and the cinnamon. And look how translucent they get with the sugar. It's fantastic. It smells really, really good. Take all this stuff, I'm gonna load it right on top. And wouldn't this be a great holiday gift to bring someone? All right, we're gonna take our lid, we're gonna put it right on top, okay? We're gonna latch the lid down and let this get nice and cold. When I'm ready to serve the turkey, I got my cranberry sauce ready to go. And this is gonna be the best cranberry sauce I've ever tasted.